I want to talk very quickly about how you get the best grip on a tenon. If you look at this right now, it is almost a circle. And the reason it is because when this is made, this is one solid piece, or in most cases, one solid piece, and they have a blade that cuts through this way and a blade that cuts through this way. So there's a little kerf. So that if you close this all the way up, that is not a closed, that is not a perfect circle, and that is not really what you want. What you want is to have it just a little bit open so that you have the most surface grabbing that tenon, either inside or outside. If you do this, and I've seen this happen with a lot of people, they do this, and now what you have, you can see that is not a circle, and what you're going to end up, if you're using the outside, is you're going to have contact here, 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 and here on the, if you're doing a spread recessed tenon, you're going to have contact on these sections, and you're not going to have any contact at the edges. That's going to be 4 little points of contact, that's it. If you're doing it from the inside, you're going to be contacting here, 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 here on all the little points, and you're not going to be contacting on the main part of it. You want to have a tenon fit so that it is right about here, so you can tighten it up just a little bit if you're going in, or out just a little bit. You want to have as close to a circle as you have, so you have the most contact with this surface, either inside or out. That's how you make a proper tenon. And if you have any other little issues about that, you can also make sure that you keep a measuring of this. This one happens to be about 2 inches when it's in the perfect shape. So I use this, and as the wood's spinning, I will hold this. Don't touch the wood necessarily with the point, but just kind of hold it in the center and have the pencil make a mark so you know where your tenon is. And that helps you cut the tenon out. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments. And as always, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you can. Comments are always welcome. And we'll look for you soon in the next video.